Welcome to LKRR in CBSE English School. Dear student, we started online classes for 9th standard, 10th standard, 12th standard, NEET, JEE, MHT, CET. So, in last class we already started a syllabus of science in 10th standard. And in syllabus of 10th standard, that is the chemistry part is there. In chemistry part, that is the first chapter we already started. The name of chapter is the chemical reaction and equation. In chemical reaction and equation, we already defined definition of chemical reaction, definition of chemical equation, definition of reactant, definition of the product. So today we will study that is the second part of chemical reaction and equation. That is the balancing the chemical equation. This balancing chemical equation is very important topic for organic chemistry. Means 12th standard, that the NCERT syllabus means CBSE, as well as that is the Maharashtra State Board syllabus. It totally depends upon balancing the chemical equation. Actually, in 12th standard, 4th chapter is totally depends upon the balancing chemical equation part. One is the halogen element. Second one chapter that is called as alcohol, phenol, ether. Third one carboxylic acid, ester. It also depends upon its aldehyde, ketone part is also depends upon it. Amine it is also depends upon it. Means total chemical reaction is totally depends upon the balancing chemical equation. So it's very important for NEET, very important for JEE, very important for MHT. So that's why we study that in the first very important concept, that is the balancing the chemical equation. We will define definition of balancing chemical equation. Firstly, I will write the definition, then I will explain actual meaning of the balancing chemical equation. The balancing chemical equation is defined as number of atoms of an element on the reactant side that is LHS is equal to total number of atoms of an element on the product side RHS. This is the simple definition. That is the total number of element. Total number of atoms present in the reactant is equal to the total number of element present in the product. It is the balancing chemical equation. We'll check one simple example. Like we are having the simple example. Methyl chloride, CH3Cl is the formula of methyl chloride, common name. IUPAC name is the chloromethane. It is react with the sodium hydroxide. The formula of sodium hydroxide is the NaOH. When chemical reaction takes place, from this reaction it forms that is the methyl alcohol CH3OH plus NaCl sodium chloride, that is the common salt. Now we'll check this chemical reaction is balanced or not. Check number of atoms. Here carbon atom is there. One carbon atom in reactant side. Again one carbon atom in the product side. Means this is the balance. Means actually equal. Now hydrogen, these three hydrogen atom and this one that is the 4. Here these three and this one that is the 4. Hydrogen it is again balanced. Now chlorine is here 1. Here again 1 means the chlorine is again balanced. Now sodium here 1 and is again in the product side 1. It is again balanced. This oxygen 1, here oxygen 1 means it is again balanced. It is the balancing chemical equation. But now some chemical equation, that is the reactant not equal to the product, then that is unbalanced chemical equation. Like we have in the example, when magnesium metal, it is treated with the oxygen or it is treated with the air or is on oxidation, then it form the magnesium oxide, that is the MgO. So here only one magnesium atom, here again one magnesium atom, but here in reactor side 2 oxygen atom and in product side only one oxygen atom is there. So it is the unbalanced chemical equation. Unbalanced means the total number of elements present in the reactant not equal to the total number of elements present in the product, then it is an unbalanced chemical equation. And here we have to study that is the step involved the balancing the chemical equation. When the reaction is unbalanced, they will try to balance the chemical equation by using the some important step. So our concept is the step involved the balancing chemical equation. So here let us try to balance the one chemical equation. So that is the first chemical equation. It is that is the magnesium treated with the oxygen, then it form the magnesium oxide. So step 1, write the chemical equation in the word form. What is our first step? Write the chemical equation in a word form. In word form means we already had in the example magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. So we know that in this chemical reaction magnesium and oxygen is the reactant, while this magnesium oxide it is the product. Now this is the first step. Then step number 2. It's very simple. Write the chemical equation in a symbolical form. What is our second step? Write the chemical equation in a symbolic form. So we know that already. That is the magnesium. It is represented by the symbol Mg. This oxygen, we know that oxygen always present or always represented in the form of gas state and in the form of O2. Magnesium oxide, we again know that formula. It is the MgO. It is the simple second step of this reaction. After that, step number third. In step third, we will count the number of elements present in the reactant and present in the product. Count the number of elements on reactant side and product side. So we will simply prepare one box for representing the elements. That is simply we use element, or in some book are referred as the word component. So they present in a reactant side and present in the product side. That we simply represent one box. Which elements are present? Only two elements. One is the magnesium atom and second one is the oxygen atom. So simply magnesium and second one, that is the oxygen. So now check how much element present on reactant side of the magnesium. When you observe here only one magnesium atom present in the reactant side, again only one atom present on product side, means one reactant, one product. But in case of the oxygen, in reactant side two oxygen atom is there, and on product side, that is the only one oxygen atom is there. So this two and this is one. So this is unbalanced equation. Now this unbalanced equation we will, that is converted into the balance. So for this, to balance the chemical equation, write the reactant as well as the product on the box. To balance the reaction or equation, write reactant and product on box. So simply Mg in box, O2 also represented in box, gives rise to, this is the MgO, it is also represented on the box. So we will use some mathematical term. Now here two oxygen atom is there and here only one oxygen atom is there. To balance the chemical reaction, here again two oxygen atom is there. So we simply apply the mathematics step, that is multiply. We will use the multiplication. When we multiply, that is the 2 on MgO, then oxygen become balanced. Check. That is the Mg plus O2, then twice MgO means simply multiply by 2. So now again count the number of elements present on reactant as well as number of elements present in products, that is the same box. Element reactant side as well as on product side. So Here magnesium atom, second one oxygen atom. Magnesium, if you observe one magnesium atom, here 2, oxygen 2. Now after balancing the magnesium atom, after balancing the oxygen atom, this magnesium is now unbalanced. Will again balance, that is this magnesium atom. And to balance, that is again multiply by step 5. Multiply by this magnesium 2, it becomes twice Mg plus O2 plus gives rise to twice MgO. So check it is balanced or not. In reactor side, 2 magnesium atom. In product side, also 2 magnesium atom. In reactor side, 2 oxygen atom, and on product side, again 2 oxygen atom. Here means we will represent that in the box 11 reactor